Hiya, it's Lorna. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a forever. I've made a video. I know, forever. I can't even have a schedule right now. It's not that I've been busy. I've been busy, but I've been also unable to do a lot of editing. Also filming some video. It has been a bit hectic for me this last month. I basically forgot we're in June now. It's June now. Feels like it's still November. I don't know why. My life has, just there's been so many things. So here I am, and today I'm gonna show you something that is quite in the mood of the summer. It is this pair of sandals from Dr. Martens. Yeah, when I have something new from Dr. Martens, I always show you, and this is one of my new uniform pair. I am going back to it in a moment. I might do another video about it. I think I've been at the hospital for the last month and I haven't been really using them, so I can't really tell you if they hurt or not, but I'm gonna try to be the most honest as possible about this pair. So let's go. So the pair look like this. I might close this. I hope the other one is, I haven't even taken the paper out of the other one yet. You can see there's still this here. Gonna show you a bit more. Yeah, so they're all brand new, guys, so you can see the little eyelet like this. Do you remember the Francis sandal? I think it's quite of the same design. You have the little ring, like no ring like this, like harness ring, so I really like it. And when I saw them, I was like, they feel like they're gonna be really stiff and hurting a bit there. But then I tried them and it's not that uncomfortable. I think if you have a really large foot, it's not really, I don't know, you need to have like your little toe should be a bit high, because if it's a bit long then you can be a bit hurt there. But actually I'm gonna try them out and I think they're gonna be less uncomfortable than what I'm imagining in my head, because the leather is really good. I think it's Brando leather. Yes, it's the Brando leather, and it's quite soft, so this is good. They feel a bit heavy because of this, not because of this the sole. I think this sole is fine, what I really like about the Dr. Martens sandals from this collection is that you still have the Dr. Martens sole, which is quite a sign of durability that you have with Dr. Martens that you don't really have when you get the lighter one, which has the little zebra sole. I don't know if you remember Goth sandals, stuff like this. They have a sole which is a bit chunkier, I would say, but it's lighter, it's comfortable and all. It's not gonna last as long as a sole like this, so you might have to break them a bit more than the other one, as you know, a really classic shoe would require, but I think they're worth it. So I'm gonna show you how they look on me and you can have a bit of an idea. But yeah, they're really nice. I don't have a lot of things to say because maybe I'll do a little update if I walk with them before I'm editing. I don't know, I really don't know about my schedule right now, so I'm sorry. But if you want to see them a bit more closely before you buy them, this is how it looks in video. It might be a bit a closer view than on the website. So you can see that this is feels a bit heavy. See, this is a bit heavy, but really I don't know, I feel like this is This is leather and it will really take the shape of your foot, the imprint, and I think it will, you know, when it's gonna last, it's gonna be like your every summer shoe. I think that this model, the Gryphon, I don't know how you say it, but in the shop we say Gryphon. The Gryphon collection is quite good if you want a sandal that lasts a few summers. Yeah, so that's it. So you have the yellow stitching, the back is like this, and that is it. So we'll insert a little clip, and perhaps if I can, we'll tell you a bit of how I felt using them, and that's it. Thank you again for watching, guys, and I see you in my next video. Tschüss!